Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Outlook and opening Calendar. This establishes the connection that powers everything. Once done, make sure your default calendar, time zone, and work hours match your routine so invites land correctly. Create 3 sample events, personal, team, and a focused work block, to test sharing, reminders, and free/busy visibility. You do this because testing reveals permission quirks early, and you want predictable notification behavior before adding real meetings to avoid double bookings and missed alerts. Now organize. Apply color categories and custom labels so you can scan days at a glance. This reduces decision fatigue. Then automate recurring events and default durations, and add buffer time for transitions to prevent back-to-back overload. Create quick steps and rules for common invites. Accept and set response, add meeting notes, or assign a room, so repetitive actions happen with one click. You do this because automation saves minutes every day, and consistent templates keep your calendar reliable and searchable. To finish, sync your desktop and mobile calendars and test sharing with a colleague so permissions behave as expected across devices. Once done, use overlay and time zone views to resolve conflicts and confirm attendees see accurate start times. If something breaks, first clear the app cache, then remove and re-add the account. These steps fix most sync issues. If problems persist, check server status or IT policy, because authentication or tenant settings often block features. Addressing that restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.